everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be sharing you my top 3 programming language in 2020. So let's just get started right away. On the top of the list, the top of the list, which is, let me begin with number 3, which is Flutter. As all know, Flutter is just a growing programming language, dark, which is actually getting more attraction, and by in 2020 it will be more in use than any other programming language, for my own opinion, because it is fast and it is all cross-platform, whereby if you want to create your own mobile company, you can use Flutter as well. You create a mobile apps or possible, again, it is also using desktop as well, so it is all cross-platform. It is a good language to learn also in 2020, which is also growing very fast. Yeah, you can get install Flutter today. It is for free, and that is the key part you need, which is also free. And the third one is, you have very beautiful design. Yes, and the second one is Python. Python is also another good language, although it cannot be used in everything, but there are multiple sections where you can use Python, like web development, backend, and data science, machine learning, and so on and so forth. Python, and then it is also easy to use, and it is syntax and friendly. So Python is my top take, the second. And number 1, which is the only JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most good language, high, lightweight, interpreted, just in time compile programming language as well. You can take a look here. This is a good website, mozilla.org, so don't worry, I'll post the link down below. It's a very good programming language, whereby if you can study them within 6 months, and you can use them for your back end and your front end. You can do almost everything. Okay, so it is something whereby I recommend it as the first programming language in 2020. And now let us just move to the bonus. The bonus programming language is HTML. No, that is not even a language, it's just a markup. So I definitely recommend you checking this site first. HTML and CSS, which those are just markup language. That is just the bonus for this video. So yeah, so you can check this site for more easy video to get started for free, as usual, because a lot of programming language today you can study them for free without even paying. If you want to go faster, okay, you should now look for whereby you can pay. Like even here also you can still pay. There's a get certificate here. You can still pay, get certificate. You see, you can pay. This is the amount, but you can still study for free. So I recommend HTML and CSS for beginner to start first coding, and if possible you can dive with Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is also another good language to study. Not even a language, it's just formatting language. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if you have any language, just hit the comment down below there, so let me hear what you want to say. So thank you guys. Until then, wish you happy new year 2020 and happy coding.